Okay, last class we have discussed about two problems on classification. Now we will go for the third problem of classification, that is the preparation of frequency table. Now see, in this problem, again they are given prepare a frequency table with suitable class intervals. Means again classes are not given like your previous problem, that is the second problem. In that problem also class intervals were not given. Here also class intervals are not given. So when class intervals are not given, your first step is to start with the range. You have to calculate the range. What is the formula of range? The highest value minus lowest value. Highest value minus lowest value. Now from these given values, just check out what is the highest value. The highest value is here. Highest value is 178 minus lowest value. Check the lowest value. Lowest value is 145 is there. 145 is the lowest. Therefore, my range value is 30. My range value is 30. Okay, this is clear. First of all, you have to start with range. Always, whether the classes are given or not given, start with the range, calculate the range. Now, in this problem, classes are not given, so we have to consider the range value. By using range value, we can check the difference in class interval and how many classes we have to consider in class interval column. Okay. Now, we will go for the table. Write the heading frequency distribution table. Here we have to write the heading as frequency distribution table. Under this table, as you know, we have to prepare three columns. First one is class intervals. Second column is tally bar. Third column is frequency. Third column is class interval, tally bar and frequency. Now how to take the class intervals? This is the important one. How to take the class interval? This is important. Now you know the range. What is the range value here? The range value is 30. R is nothing but range. Range is 30. And here classes are not given. In last problem, in second problem, we have discussed about the limits of class interval. That is, how many number of class intervals we have to take under class interval, right? The limit is given as 5 to 12. Means we have to take minimum 5 classes in class interval column, or you can take maximum 12 classes. Don't take 4 classes also, you cannot take 13th class also. In between, we have to adjust the class interval. Now see, 33. Suppose if I want the difference of 10 in each class interval. So this 33 I will divide by my assumed difference, that is 10. So I will get how many classes? 3.3, or maximum I will get how many classes? 4 classes. But our limit of class interval is 5 to 12. Now 4 is below the limit, so we cannot take the difference of 10. We cannot take the difference of 10. So what to do in this case? We have to decrease the difference. We have to decrease the difference. Suppose if I want, now I will try with difference of 5 in each class. So if I take the difference of 5 in each class, I will get 6.6 classes, means maximum I will get how many classes? 7 classes. Maximum I will get how many classes? 7 classes. And our limit of class interval is 5 and 12. So 7 comes in between this range. So my appropriate difference in each class is 5 is the appropriate difference. Now how to start with the class interval? What is the lowest value in this problem? What is the lowest value? 145 is the lowest value. So I'll start with 145. 145 and I'll keep the difference of 5, that is 1 and then 2. And I'll make it exclusive method. Whenever classes are not given, go for the exclusive method. Then the next class will be 150 to 155. Why it is exclusive? Again I will repeat, because upper limit of one class is repeated once again as lower limit of next class. Then next class will be 155 to 160. Next is 160 to 165. Next is 165 to 170. Next is 170 to 175. And last is 175 to 180. Why 175 to 180 is the last class? Because my highest value is 170. My highest value is 170. And this comes under 175 to 180. Okay, this is the important step. If the classes are not given, we have to consider the range. Check the assumed difference, try with the class intervals. If the classes are below 4 or above 13, don't consider. Go for the next level of difference. Okay. Now let's start one by one. Remaining procedure you know, it is same. Now 163 is the first value. 163 comes under 160 to 165. Mark it. Then 155. 155 comes under 155 to 160. That is the fresh class. Again mark it. 169. 169 comes under 160 to 170. 163. It comes under 160 to 165. 148. 148 comes under 145 to 150. 151. It comes under 150 to 155. 178. 178 comes under 175 to 180. 155. 155 comes under 155 to 160. That is fresh class. 146. 146 comes under 145 to 150. 145. 145 also 145 to 150. 156. 156 comes under 155 to 160. 159. Again it comes under 155 to 160. 158. 158 also comes under 155 to 160, but 4 lines are over, 5th line is a cross line. Next is 153. 153 comes under 150 to 155. 160. Where do you take 160? Again it is in a fresh class, that is 160 to 165. 149. 149 comes under 145 to 150. 154. 154 comes under 150 to 155. 164. 164 comes under 160 to 165. 159. 159 comes under 155 to 160. But already 5 lines are over. So keep some space, again start. 160. 160 we have to take under 160 to 165. That is fresh class. And it is a 5th line, so put a cross line. 157. 157 comes under 155 to 160. 176. 176 comes under 175 to 180. 164. 164 comes under 160 to 165. 5 lines are over, keep some space, again start. 170. 170 comes under 170 to 175. That is fresh class. 152. 152 comes under 150 to 155. 169. 169 comes under 165 to 170. 159. 159 comes under 155 to 160. 162, it comes under 160 to 165. 173, 173 comes under 170 to 175. 154 comes under 150 to 155, 4 lines. Fifth line is a cross road. Next 158 comes under 155 to 160. 160 to 165. 158 comes under 155 to 160, but 4 lines are over, fifth line is a cross line. 154 comes under 150 to 155, 5 lines are over, keep some space, again start. 172 comes under 170 to 175. 148 comes under first class, that is 145 to 150, but 4 lines are over, fifth line is a cross. 152 comes under 150 to 155. 156 comes under 155 to 160. Again 5 lines are over, keep some space, again start. 157 comes under again same 155 to 160. And last is 165 comes under fresh class 165 to 170. Now see here, we have taken into consideration all the values. Okay, all the values are converted in a tally bar form. Now we have to find out the frequencies for the particular class interval. Count the lines. 145 to 150 in tally bar column. There are how many lines? 5 lines. So your frequency of 145 to 150 is 5. Like this, count the lines. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 5 plus 2, 12. 5 plus 3, 8. 3. Again 3. And last one is, make the total. I think total is, you can mention as total is. Okay, such type of problems are important if the classes are not given to you. If the classes are not given to you, again I will explain. We have to calculate the range. By using range, we have to find out the class intervals. How much difference is to be taken in each class? That is important. Now in this same problem, now see, again I will explain. 33 is the range value. 33 is the range value. Suppose if I want difference of 10, 33 I will divide by 10. This is my assumed difference in class interval. So I will get 3.3 classes, or maximum how many classes I will get? 4 classes. This is of no use because my limit of class interval is 5 and 12. Means in this class interval column, we have to take minimum 5 classes. Minimum 5 classes and maximum how many classes? 12 classes. You cannot take only 4 classes, you cannot take 13th class also. This is the important thing. Okay. So if I take the difference of 10, I will get only 4 classes like 145 to 155 like this I have to take. So I will change this. Now the same 33 range, I will divide by 5. 5 is now my assumed difference. I want the difference of 5. If I take the difference of 5, I will get 6.6 classes, means I will get maximum how many classes? 7 classes. Check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 classes I have taken. 7 comes under my limit. That is 5 to 12. Okay. This is the important thing. Clear this. Clear this. If the classes are not given to you, if you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay. Now we will go to the next problem. We will go to the next problem. Now in this problem you see. Again we have to prepare a frequency table. No doubt we have to prepare a frequency table, but here classes are given. Which type of classes are given? It is given as 40 to 49, 50 to 59, etc. Now this is exclusive or inclusive, that we will think of later. But the first step of solving the problem is again start with range. Range is nothing but highest value minus lowest value. highest value minus lowest value. First check what is the highest value in this problem. I think your highest value is 115 here. 115 is the highest value. Lowest value is, check the lowest value, 41, 40. 40 is the lowest. Therefore, range value is 70. Range value is 75. Okay. You have to calculate the range, whether it is of our use or not. We have to calculate range. Range is the first step of solving the problem. Once you know the range, prepare the table again. Once you know the range, prepare the table. Like again here, class intervals, tally bar, next column is frequency. Write the heading, but I have not written heading. You have to write the heading as frequency distribution table. Then prepare 3 columns, class interval, tally bar and frequency. Now in this problem, class intervals are given, and if the classes are given you as a first problem, we have solved first problem. In that also classes were given to you. We have to start with those classes only, whether it is exclusive or inclusive. It doesn't matter. Now we'll start with these given classes. It is given as 40 to 49. Next one is 50 to 59, etc. Like this, we have to go up to highest value. Highest value is 150. Now tell me, this is exclusive or inclusive? It is inclusive method. Why it is inclusive method? Because upper limit of one class is not repeated once again as lower limit of next class. This is exclusive. Exclusive means upper limit is repeated once again as lower limit of the next class, whereas in inclusive method upper limit is not repeated once again as lower limit of next class. Clear? So what will be the next class? Here it will be 60 to 69. Next one will be 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99, 100 to 109. And last class is 110 to 119, because my highest value is 115 and 115 comes under 110 to 109. Okay, these are my classes. You can check the class intervals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 comes under our limit or no? Our limit is 5 to 12. In every problem you check. I have not taken less than 4 classes, less than 5 classes, or more than 12 classes. It is between 5 and 10. Now again we have to start. Procedure is almost and there is no change. Again as it is. 42. 42 comes under 40 to 49. Mark it. 74. 74 comes under 70 to 79. Mark it. 40 comes under again 40 to 49. 60 comes under 60 to 69. 82 comes under 80 to 89. 115 comes under 110 to 119. 41 comes under 40 to 49. 61 comes under 60 to 69. 75 comes under 70 to 79. 80 to 89. 50 to 59. 110 comes under 110 to 119. 76 comes under 70 to 79. 84 comes under 80 to 89. 50 comes under 50 to 59. 67 comes under 60 to 69. 70 to 79. 77 again 70 to 79. 4 lines are over, 5th line it is a 60 comes under 60 to 69. 65 comes under 60 to 69, but it is the fifth line, cross it. 68 comes under 60 to 69. Here 5 lines are over, keep some space, again start. Again we have to start. 69 comes under 60 to 69 only because it is inclusive method. Such upper limits we have to include in that particular class only. So it is called as inclusive. 104 comes under 100 to 109. 80 comes under 80 to 89. 70 to 79. 78 again 70 to 79. 54 50 to 59. 70 to 79. 58 50 to 59. 91 90 to 99. 66 60 to 69. 49 comes under 40 to 49. 77 comes under 70 to 79. 90 comes under 90 to 99. 84 80 to 89, it is the fifth line. 76 70 to 79, fifth line. 42 40 to 49, fifth line. 64 60 to 69. 69 you have to take under 60 to 69 only, it is the fifth line. 70 comes under next class, that is 70 to 79. Again 5 lines are over, keep some space, start. 72, it comes under 70 to 79. 50 we have to take under 50 to 50 line, fifth line. 79 comes under 70 to 79. 50 to 59, again start. 103 comes under 100 to 109. 96 comes under 90 to 99. 51 50 to 59. 86 80 to 89. 78 70 to 79. And last is 94, comes under 90 to 99. This is my tally bar chart. Now count the lines, write down the frequencies. 5, 7, 10, 14, 6, 4, 2, again 2. Make the total and write. Total is this is the procedure of preparing a frequency distribution table in case of exclusive method and in case of inclusive. If it is exclusive method, your upper limit is always taken in the fresh class. If it is inclusive method, your upper limit you have to take under the same class only, not the fresh class, because in fresh class your upper limit will not repeat once again as lower limit. Okay. So this is the difference between your exclusive and inclusive. Procedure is very simple, you can easily solve. I'll give you 1 or 2 homework afterwards. Okay. If you have followed this, we'll move next video. I'll start with tabulation. I'll start with meaning of tabulation, components of tabulation, and I'll take one simple problem on that tabulation. While solving the problem on tabulation, I will tell you what are the components of a statistical table or a blank table. Okay.